everyone, Toney here, and I want to tell you about my Kickstarter, Black Anime Lost Children in the Diaspora. In 2014, I vowed to myself that I would draw every day no matter what, and then something started to occur to me. Most, if not all, of the characters I drew were either white or Japanese, and if I did draw a person of color, he wasn't necessarily intended to be the main character or the hero, which then made me start to think about something my dad used to say to me, or ask me. Why don't you draw people that look like you? And as a kid, I didn't have an answer for him. But as I grew older, I started to recognize and understand that people who look like me with diverse histories and backgrounds didn't necessarily get their own shows. And I had to ask myself, why? Where were the deeper histories? Where was the history past slavery or the civil rights? Who were the heroes and pantheons of the tribes of Africa? So in 2016, I vowed to myself that I would only draw people of color. And all the stories and characters that I would create would draw from the African mythology or the African diaspora. Unknowingly, this was the beginning of Black Anime Lost Chill-dren of the Diaspora. The book itself is comprised of 94 pages of original Black anime content, broken up into 4 sections: original characters, future stories, fan art, and growth. All the characters themselves are just as diverse as the different type of Black people all over the world. The book is being sold digitally. What I need your help with is creating physical copies and bringing this vision into the world. Now, backer gifts. Well, if you decide you want to back the project, backer gifts include the digital art book, soft cover, a variant hardcover, 2 posters, and a character commission. This book is meant to not only inspire people of color to create the stories that they want to see, but also a way for other people to see a different perspective of Black people, their deeper history, and the diversity of the Black experience. Lastly, I hope this book will show that Black heroes are meant for everyone else the same way every other race and culture